Vice President Constantino Chiwenga has issued a challenge to newly wealthy Zimbabweans, questioning why their riches are not being channeled into productive domestic enterprises, while simultaneously dismissing the notion that foreign investors will develop the nation for the benefit of its people. Tisanapinda mashoko buda panguva ino ari kunonzi VP Constantino Chiwenga azochallenja zvigananda panguva ino. The same question yanga ine vanhu vese but vaishoti voitaura sei. Chiwenga elaborata akaisozviburitsa pachena akati hapana munhu achabva kune imwe nyika achiuya muno munyika achiti anoda kuzodevelopera nyika yenyu. Ribva wasubscribe walike watomba bell icon. Tenda mberi muzimu breaking news anendera mberi achiti speaking recently, the vice president delivered a wide ranging critique of what he perceives as misplaced priorities among some affluent citizens and presented a stark vision of national self-reliance. His comments zeroed in on the spending habits of the newly rich. In quotes, there are some people doing drugs, some waking up saying, I'm now rich, I now have money. VP Chiwenga stated, why don't they build factories for people to get employment from that money if it's excessive? Shifting focus to international arena, the vice president delivered an even more pointed message, aiming to temper expectations about the role of external players in Zimbabwe's economic revival. VP Chiwenga says he wants to tell the people of Zimbabwe that no foreigner is coming to build Zimbabwe on behalf of Zimbabweans. A summary of his address noted. He emphasized that this applied across key sectors including mining, manufacturing, and tourism. According to the vice president, the primary motive of foreign entitles is extraction. These people will just come and take the riches to their country and go. Ndo mashoko anobuda nyuko panguva ino achitaurwa naVP Constantino Chiwenga. Mbodzi yemuResburg muri kudi pamashoko anova makukutu kune zvigananda. Buda comment section medu zofukuro enyu. Subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.